Turkey has achieved another significant milestone in its rapidly expanding aerospace defense program. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA PT-5, the latest prototype of the country's ambitious unmanned combat aircraft project, has successfully completed a new round of critical flight tests, marking the final phase before entering mass production. This achievement reinforces Turkey's growing leadership in next-generation unmanned aviation. A new era of Turkish aerospace autonomy. The KIZILELMA program, developed by Bayraktar Technology, is one of Turkey's most strategically important defense initiatives. It is designed as a highly maneuverable, jet-powered UCAV, optimized for stealth, and capable of air-to-air missions, deep strike operations, and carrier-based deployments. Stealth and persistent combat presence. KIZILELMA is designed for low observability, enabling it to operate effectively in environments dominated by advanced air defense systems. Its stealth capabilities allow it to conduct reconnaissance, attack, and support missions while minimizing detection. Autonomy and AI-assisted combat. Equipped with an advanced AI-enabled mission system, the KIZILELMA will be capable of autonomous flight, multi-target tracking, and precision strike operations with minimal human intervention. Air-to-air combat capability. Unlike traditional UAVs focused on ground attacks, the KIZILELMA is designed to engage enemy aircraft. It can conduct high-speed interceptions, defensive maneuvers, and coordinated missions alongside manned fighter aircraft. Aircraft carrier compatibility. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the KIZILELMA project is its compatibility with naval platforms, including Turkey's TCG Anadolu, the world's first amphibious assault ship dedicated to UAVs. This opens new horizons for the Turkish Navy's aviation and expeditionary capabilities. Cost-effective force multiplication. Compared to fifth-generation manned fighter aircraft, the KIZILELMA offers a significantly lower cost-to-performance ratio, enabling mass deployment and sustained presence across multiple theaters of operations. Breakthrough performance achieved in PT-5 testing. According to official reports, the PT-5 prototype underwent a rigorous series of tests, including high-speed maneuvers, autonomous takeoff and landing checks, continuous flight performance assessments, and weapons system integration evaluations. The aircraft demonstrated exceptional stability, increased flight endurance, and sharper response, all key benchmarks required before transitioning to industrial-scale manufacturing. One of the highlights of the PT-5 test was its enhanced stealth profile, combined with optimized airframe aerodynamics. Engineers incorporated new composite materials and refined surface geometry, reducing radar signature while maintaining structural strength. This iteration also features an upgraded internal mission computer, capable of processing complex data for autonomous decision-making in a highly competitive environment. Strategic advantages and game-changing capabilities. What sets the Bayraktar KIZILELMA apart is not only its technological sophistication, but also its ability to reshape modern air power strategy. The PT-5 variant is expected to bring several innovative capabilities. Road to mass production. With the success of the PT-5 test, Turkey is now preparing for the next major phase, large-scale production. Bayraktar Technology has established a state-of-the-art manufacturing infrastructure to support serial production, including automated assembly lines and expanded testing facilities. Production is expected to begin as soon as the final certification process is completed. Initial production batches will likely be delivered to the Turkish Armed Forces and other national defense institutions for operational deployment and pilot program integration. Over time, additional KIZILELMA variants may be introduced, including configurations optimized for electronic warfare, long-range strike missions, and cooperation with swarming UAVs. The global UAV market is undergoing rapid transformation, with many nations seeking platforms that combine advanced combat capabilities with cost-effectiveness. The success of the KIZILELMA could position Turkey as a dominant exporter of next-generation unmanned combat aircraft, similar to the international impact of the Bayraktar TB2. Even before mass production begins, several countries have expressed interest in acquiring or partnering in the development of future KIZILELMA variants. As geopolitical tensions escalate and demand for flexible air power solutions increases, Turkey's technological influence is expected to grow substantially. The successful PT-5 test is more than just a technical achievement. It is a clear demonstration of Turkey's growing self-reliance in defense innovation. Over the past decade, the country has transformed from a key technology importer to a global producer and influencer. The KIZILELMA stands as a prime symbol of this transformation. As Turkey accelerates mass production, the world is watching closely. This aircraft's advanced capabilities, modular design, and autonomous vision represent a future of air warfare defined not only by manned combat aircraft but also by the seamless integration of highly agile, intelligent, and unmanned combat platforms. With the KIZILELMA PT-5 now validated, Turkey is not only entering the next phase of the project but also shaping the next era of global air dominance.